definitely be a kind of bits and pieces episode today. One thing I'm going to do is something I've really wanted to do for a long time. Now, obviously we've got this here, and when it fits in here, that's horrible. So I'm going to backfill this and then cut it. Simple. Waiting for that to dry, so gonna kill some time. I've got some artwork I've had for a while. Need to put it up. So skateboard is gonna move to there, and two bits of art are gonna go there. So just trying to slowly make the workshop kind of more inspiring looking. It's getting there. So let's move that and put some other stuff up. No, I'm right. A little bit more colour in the garage. I've had these prints for a while. They're by Iconic Garage. That's obviously Ayrton Senna, Niki Lauda, Star Wars inspired. So I'm a massive Star Wars fan, and that's the period of racing that I remember the most growing up. So yeah, it's cool to have those bits in there and framed up. I've had them stuffed under my bed for a while. So I'm kind of taking a leaf out of Rick Rubin's book and surrounding myself with things that inspire you when you create things. So hopefully the start of many more things to come, and finally get this this garage a bit less sterile looking. I mean, it's clean at the moment and I like it, but it's looking a little bit a little bit sterile. So once I get the ceiling done, that's going to go black. What I'm going to do is do another little workstation here with units. I think I've said this before, with units, like shallow units going across here and a shallow bench, so I can put some more probably artwork there. You know, I do have I think it's an 80s GT BMX. I think I'm going to hang that up somewhere. I think somewhere out of the way, probably over there in that corner. Get some more lighting in here as well. So obviously definitely need some more banners. Got a space for another one there at least. Yeah, gonna try and make it as nice as possible. Anyway, enough of that. Let's burp and potentially throw up. Let's do this thing now. Now that is looking much better. Still gotta work out yeah, the infills for here. It's kind of tricky. I don't want to go too big. I definitely want to thicken up this line here. That's kind of bothering me. It kind of just, it looks, it's not, but it looks a bit flimsy. So I want to thicken this up and then put a piece in here and obviously mimic the lines of that indicator. I may have said this before, but I am going to effectively delete these two lights here. The 86 indicator for the bottom, so that eliminates that, and obviously we've got high and low beam on that, so basically they're kind of like running lights essentially, which is yeah, we don't actually need those. We've got side lights on there, so rather than two side lights we'll just have one, which is normal. And then I need to work out something here, so really I need someone to 3D scan those indicator housings, reduce the curve on them and make them into blanks essentially. It's kind of hard what I've got, the idea I've got in my mind, but it will look cool. It'll look really, really cool. It's one of those little details that, you know, will really pop out when you look around the car. So yeah, happy that that's done. That looks, yeah, much better than that. Way better. Cool. All right. Gonna. I don't know. I'm so confused. Need to work out something for that. Come on, brain. As the door's off at the moment, gonna put it back on in a second because it's just in the way. Gonna mock up the side skirt real quick and see what that looks like. And if you guys follow my Instagram, you probably would have seen this already, but it looks so good. What I'm considering doing is, obviously this is going to take a lot of reshaping, but considering keeping this kind of depth, obviously it's way bigger than that, but considering keeping this depth but taking a section off and having that little section that's taken off on the corner of the door, the bottom corner of the door. Yes? No? Also, the wing mirrors are on here originally. There's kind of like JDM style mirrors actually on the wings. I'm not putting those back on. I love them, but I can't see shit out of them. I can't see a thing, so I'm not going to put them back on. I do like them, but I'm not going to put them back on. Plus, all that work, I don't want to kind of not ruin it, but I don't want to. Yeah, I don't want to drill a hole in it. So I have a different idea for the doors. Yeah, I've got a different idea for the doors, so that's incoming. So let's get the door back on. Also, I don't think this episode really has a purpose or a meaning. I'm just recording it anyway. Huh. Wow. Alright, another bit of garage decoration going on. Massive thank you to my friend Gianni, who runs Status Error. I'll link him down below in the description. Status Error on Instagram, statuserror.com. Sent me this incredible banner. Super stoked on this. Quality is incredible. It's gonna look super cool. Love the old school Sega Mega Drive style as well. Like I said, quality is unreal. Colours super vibrant. So let's stick that up next to its new friends, and yeah, it's going to make this garage look a little bit more colourful. This is definitely one of those bits and pieces episodes, so waiting for stuff to turn up, or I haven't got materials, so just messing around basically. It's one of those episodes where just kind of throwing lots of ideas around. I think everyone has days in their garage where they literally just kind of like mess around and just tidy things up a bit, make it look a bit nicer in there, whatever. Progress. So obviously that side's done. This side is in the process of being done. I just need to fix everything in its place that needs to be, and then it needs the last layer of fiberglass, and then that side is going to be, you know, close to being similar to that side. It's very, very close. So once we've done that, I've got it, you know, the final layer of fiberglass on there, all those bits and pieces, give it a coat of primer. Then we can move on to side skirts, and then probably planning the rear over fenders as well. Hopefully we'll get this, hopefully I can kind of work something out that's going to be good. There's so many things I need to do with this, but yeah, but like I said, one of those episodes, just stick it on when you're eating breakfast or something and just zone out. So I will see you in the next episode that hopefully be a bit more productive, but you never know, it might just be nonsense like this. But I appreciate you guys nonetheless, and I'll see you soon. Take care.
Subscribe, you fools.